Good morning, Orlando. This is Latrina. We spoke briefly yesterday regarding me sending you over a video with free custom tips and tricks to help you boost your online presence. Unfortunately, I had technical issues, so I'm only just now getting to this, but hopefully you can still use this information and have time to look at it today. My only question is that if you can provide feedback after watching this video, it will help me to understand if I'm providing a service that's helpful to business owners. I don't want to waste time of people during the day and when they're trying to get things done, but I really do want to add value to your business and help out in a way that makes sense. So please let me know if you thought this was helpful. What I will be covering briefly are content, backlinks, and citations and their role in your website design. Content is anything that appears on your website, such as words, images, and videos. And the content is important because it allows you to get those keywords onto your website that Google will use to help find your website. You should have ideally about 1,500 words on your homepage and at least 500 on your back pages. These are not etched in stone, but it's a good ballpark to rank very well with Google and to beat out your competitors. Keywords are those things that people type in. Of course, you know about this. You go to Google, you type in the phrase or the words that you're looking for. What's important about keywords is you want to make sure the keywords you have on your website are the kind of keywords that real people will be typing in when they search for services. So it's a good idea to have not only your business name, but keywords that direct people to the services that you provide. Then there are citations. The citations contain your business name, your address, your phone number, and they appear in like Yellow Pages and Yelp and so forth. Google likes to see as many or more than your competitors, so you want to get those out as well. And then there are backlinks. Backlinks are essentially just the address of your website located on other websites. They are they direct traffic to your website from other places. You should keep in mind that not all backlinks are created equal. You don't want to have irrelevant backlinks like to a beauty salon or pizza restaurant because it doesn't relate to the work that Orlando Construction provides, right? So what you want to do is make sure all the backlinks that you do have are relevant to what you're doing. You think about it this way: the more backlinks you have on the internet, the more popular you become with Google, which results in Google giving you preference on their pages and directing visitors to your website. So let's go ahead and take a look at your website. Okay, so if we go to Orlando Homes, what we will see, and I think I said Orlando Construction earlier, I apologize for that, but your remodeling website is nice to look at, but it doesn't have enough content. The only block of content on your homepage is right here, and that right there is hurting you with Google. So you'd want to get more content. Again, remember, think 1,500 words or more, because that's what your competitors, the ones who are doing very well on Google, that's what they have. Also, don't forget about your images. Images are an opportunity for you to save your keywords as well. Like you have some really nice images, but when you saved them or whoever built your website, they didn't give them a title. You'd want to name all of these with something relevant to your services. For example, this says kitchen remodeling here. You would name this kitchen remodeling and maybe Orlando, okay? Home services. That would help to get you the extra boost that you need with Google. So if we were to go and take a look at how Google places companies right now, you'd see that at the very top of the screen are those people who are paying for Google ads. They're okay. I don't disregard Google ads, but they don't work necessarily the best. People, especially if people have ad blockers on their computers, they're not even going to see these. The prime real estate on Google is the map pack, which you see right here. And the top competitors are listed here. Okay. And then further down, Google does list companies as well here, but you'll see like Angie's List, House, Home Advisor, Yelp. Those are okay if you can get listed in there, but it's sort of a waste of time. And I'll tell you why. Yelp and Home Advisors, they don't give you the exclusive rights to a lead. They share those with at least 5 other people at the same time. So you're paying for their service, but you're also sharing all of the leads, which to me seems like a ripoff. So I like to show people what they can do themselves to increase their traffic and improve their websites and stop paying so much for those other websites. Okay, so if we look at your statistics, this is right now what you have on your website as far as backlinks. You only have two. You only have two referring domains. So you definitely want to boost these up gradually to get more value and to get ranked higher with Google. You currently don't have any organic keywords. So you'd also want to go back to your website, and that's because you don't really have a lot of content. So you want to go to get these organic keywords. Look at how your competitors are advertising, and you want to do better than what they're doing, okay? And it's achievable. Let me show you why it's important to do that. If we look at this chart here, you're the blue line down here. And on Google so far, every day since July 12th, you have received no clicks on Google to your website, 0. But if we look at one of the competitors that was listed in that map pack, they have been receiving 600 clicks per day, and actually at times even higher than that, nearly 1,000 clicks, actually 1,000 clicks early August. So you might be thinking, oh my gosh, they're like beating me so badly. They are right now, but these are things that I've shown you that you can do, and you can become more competitive. There's no reason whatsoever that your business cannot be getting the same number of ranks, or at least taking some of these. I truly believe that your website looks good. It's just you need some more content. You need some backlinks. You need some referring domains and keywords. You need to grab as many keywords as you can to help people find you. So Orlando, I hope this has been helpful to you. If you have questions whatsoever, please reach out to me. I'm hoping that this information I've given you will give you some encouragement to go out and improve your website. If you have someone that can do that for you, that's great. If not, reach out to me and I'll be able to help you or give you some direction on where to start at the very least, okay? Have a beautiful day, and I wish you much success in your business. Take care.